Namaskar and good morning friends. Myself Dr.Jayvir and today we are going to discuss about computer aided manufacturing subject having subject code 3161917 semester 6 GTU mechanical branch and year 2022. And which topic we are going to cover in this video? So the answer of this question is SIM element, computer integrated manufacturing element, role of manufacturing engineering, and SIM wheel that we are going to discuss in this particular short video. So first, SIM elements. There are total 9 elements as mentioned in this figure: marketing, product design, planning, purchase, manufacture, automated work centers, work housing, finance, and information. Let's look into the detail of the role of manufacturing engineering. So role of manufacturing engineering. Why I am only taking role of manufacturing engineering? Because in a specific manner it is written in the syllabus that only role of manufacturing engineer is as per the syllabus of chem. Okay, so role of manufacturing engineering is the activity of carrying out the production of the product involving further enrichment of the database with performance data and information about the production equipment and processes. In SIM, computer integrated manufacturing, this requires activity like CNC programming, simulation, and computer aided scheduling of the production activity. This should include online dynamic scheduling and control based on the real-time performance of the equipment and processes to assure continuous production activity. Often, the need to meet fluctuating market demand requires the manufacturing system flexible and agile. So this is the role of the manufacturing engineering. What it says, it's a total role from the beginning of the product, from the raw material till the finished product. So whatever roles comes in between under the responsibility of the computer aided manufacturing, that is the role of the manufacturing engineering. This is SIM wheel. Now before discussing about the SIM wheel, I think we need to further recall all the elements of the SIM elements. So let's discuss each and every elements in detail. So first element is marketing. The need for the product is identified by the marketing division. What is the need of the product? That is identified by whom? By the marketing division. The specification of the product, the projection of manufacturing quantities, and the strategy for marketing the product are also decided by the marketing department. Marketing also works out the manufacturing cost across the economic viability of the product. So this many decisions are covered inside under the marketing element. Now let's discuss about the product design. So what happens in product design? The design department of the company established the initial database for the production of proposed product. In a SIM system, this accomplished through activities such as geometric modeling and computer aided design, while considering the product requirement and concepts generated by the creativity of the design engineer. So this is all about the product design element of the SIM wheel. Now let's discuss about the planning. The planning department takes the database established by the design department and enrich it with production and data information to produce a plan for the production of the product. The planning involves several subsystems dealing with the materials, facility, process, tools, manpower, capacity, scheduling, outsourcing, assembling, inspection, logistics, etc. this all departments are comes under the planning element of the seam wheel. In a seam system, this planning process should be constrained by the production cost and by the production equipment and process capabilities in order to generate an optimized plan. So this is the third element of the seam. Now let's discuss about the fourth element, which is nothing but the purchase. The purchase department is responsible for placing the purchase order and follow up, ensure quality in the production process of the vendor, receives the item, arrange for the inspection and supply the item to the store to arrange the timely delivery depending on the production schedule for eventual supply of the manufacturing assembly. So the manufacturing assembly is definitely having an effect of the purchase department. If purchase department will not give the required subsystems before the delay period, then the deadline of the assembled product is going to be defected. Next element is factory automation and hardware. So factory automation equipment further enriches the database with equipment and process data resident either in the operator or the equipment to carry out the production process. In SIM system, this consists of computer controlled process machinery such as CNC machine tools, flexible manufacturing systems, computer controlled robots, material handling systems, computer controlled assembly systems and flexibly automated inspection system and so on. So factory automation means something which relates to ASRS, automatic storage and retrieval system, as well as the automated guided vehicle. Warehousing, the next element. Warehousing is the function involving the storage and several of raw materials, components, finished goods, as well as shipment of items. In today's complex outsourcing scenario and the need of just-in-time supply of components and subsystems, logistics and supply chain management assume great importance. So warehousing is something which relates to logistics and supply chain management. Finance deals with the resources pertaining to money, planning of investment, working capital and cash flow control, realization of receipt, accounting and allocation of funds are the major tasks of the finance department. See why finance is required. Can I give you the simple examples? Okay, when you are doing some online purchase, in which manner you are preferring the online purchase? You are preferring the online purchase through call on delivery, means COD, correct? So the COD component will definitely going to have a financial burden on the manufacturer side, because you are not paying the manufacturer before the production of the product. So you are paying the manufacturer after the receiving the particular product which having some maximum retail price. So finance having their own significance. That's why there are some new strategies are coming out at each and every platform to give you the several amount of discount if you are giving direct payment before receiving the product. And last element is information management. The information management is perhaps one of the crucial tasks in SIEM. This involves master production schedule, MPS, master production schedule, database management, communication, manufacturing system integration and management information system. So when all these elements are comprises in a single part, then it is called as information management, and that is really need to be in a smooth manner without delay, so that the outcome of the product will come out with the higher productivity as well as less production delay time. Okay, so now let's discuss about the seam wheel elements. Now you are all aware about all the elements which are relates to seam. Okay, let me go to the slide, just a minute. So here is the seam wheel. which having four major islands. One is engineering design, another one is manufacturing planning, third one is manufacturing control, and fourth one is factory automation. So engineering design further comprises design, analysis and simulation, documentation. Manufacturing planning further comprises process, quality and facilities. Manufacturing control further comprises soft flow, material, scheduling, web ordering and shipping. And factory automation further comprises material processing, inspection test, assembly and material handling. This all part when centrally connected with the network, and this network is established under the home shop, then it is called SIEM model, means computer integrated manufacturing modified SME SIEM diagram. So this is all about SIEM will. So the main function of the SIEM is to comprise all these elements into a one system in which the following functions can be carried out by using computer. Thank you and have a nice day.